2 bromo, 2 bromo. Third position you can see one methyl group, 3 methyl, and the parent compound is butane. 2 bromo, 3 methyl, butane. Next example. CH3, C, C2H5, twice, CH2, Br. First you will write the structure. CH3, with this carbon, 2 C2H5, C2H5 can be written as CH2, CH3, here also CH2, CH3, then CH2, Br. Now we have to find the longest chain. Take this one, 1, 2, 3. Take this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the longest chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. The first place you can see bromine. So 1 bromo, 1 bromo. And second place you can see 1 methyl group as well as 1 methyl group. In alphabetic order, E comes first. So write ethyl first, 2 ethyl, then 2 methyl, methyl, and parent compound is butane. Butane. 1 bromo, 2 ethyl, 2 methyl, butane. Once again I will explain this. If you are writing the compound, if you write like this, it will be difficult to name. Better you write like this, CH3, then to this carbon you can see 1 C2H5 here and 1 C2H5 here. And this carbon is directly attached to this carbon, CH2, Br. And the longest chain is this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. In the second place you can see 1 methyl group as well as 1 ethyl group. In alphabetic order, you have to name ethyl group first. Put into IUPAC system, halogen first. So 1 bromo, then second place 2 ethyl, and the second place methyl, 2 methyl butane. This carbon, 1 CH3 group here, 1 chlorine here, 1 C2H5, C2H5 can be written as CH2, CH3, then CH2, CH3. If you start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you start from here also 1, 2, 3. So this will get a 3. So I am going to start from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see 1 chlorine in the third carbon atom and 1 methyl group in the third carbon atom. So 3 chloro, 3 methyl pentane. Parent compound contains 5 carbon atom, so it is pentane. 3 chloro, 3 methyl pentane. Another example. CH3, CH, double bond, C, Cl, CH2, CH, CH3 twice. CH3, CH, double bond C to this carbon, 1 chlorine, then CH2 to this carbon, 1 hydrogen, and 2 methyl group. So you can see double bond in this. So the parent compound is an alkene. In this case, carbon carry the double bond should get the lowest number. So you have to start from this end so that this carbon will get 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The second carbon atom contains the double bond, third carbon atom contains the halogen, and the fifth carbon atom contains methyl group. So halogen first, 3 chloro, 5 methyl, and parent compound is hexene, double bond is in the second carbon atom, so hex-2ene, hex-2ene, 3 chloro, 5 methyl, hex-2ene, CH3, CH, double bond C, this carbon contains one chlorine, and to this carbon atom direct, this carbon is attached CH2, and this carbon contains one hydrogen as well as 2 methyl group. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 5, 6, that's the longest chain. And the carbon atom is in the double bond carrying the carbon atom comes second. So whenever an alkene is coming, carbon atom carrying the double bond should get the lowest possible number. So 3 chloro, third position chlorine, and fifth position methyl group, 3 chloro, 5 methyl, X, parent compound contains 6 carbon atoms, so X, double bond is in the second carbon atom, so X-2ene, 3 chloro, 5 methyl, X-2ene.